Hey folks, this is William with All Solar Texas. If you've been watching this channel long, you'll know that I am a huge fan of the Tesla Powerwall 3. The Tesla Powerwall 3 has an integrated inverter plus battery storage. It has been phenomenal. It's been a game changer, but there's one problem. Due to the success of this incredible innovation in terms of combining a battery with an inverter, we recently got a notice from Tesla that they are now out of supply. And there's no known time frame for which those backorder units are now going to become available. I'm thinking maybe Q1, possibly Q2 of next year. I mean, that's the problem when you have a very successful product like Tesla has, where they've really disrupted the market. They've replaced microinverters and the N-phase battery combination with a fully integrated, very affordable, direct-to-customer cell battery unit. But what we're seeing now is you can't even get a hold of them. So if you are currently working with an installer to price out and possibly get a Tesla Powerwall 3 installed, I would say move. Act on it right now, because we don't know when these units are going to come back in stock, and we don't even know if they're going to come back in stock at the same price point. Now, what I think was going on here was Tesla wanted to disrupt the market, and they wanted to come in a very aggressive way, which means that they're going to introduce this new product with a very, very reasonable price point. Now, you've been able to order directly from Tesla if you're a customer, or you could go through a distributor or work with an installer. But going forward, I don't know if that's going to be an option anymore. Due to the popularity of this unit, what you're going to find is that it's going to become more difficult to get a hold of. It's probably going to become more expensive to get a hold of. So if you have a chance now to jump on it, I encourage you strongly to go ahead and get into that Tesla product now while you still can. Now, let's say that you don't have Tesla Powerwall 3 as an option anymore, and you still want to invest in battery backup or possibly go solar. I would recommend going with the N-phase microinverters, but not the N-phase 5P unit. The 5P unit is only 5 kilowatt hours. It's a super small battery. You would need to string multiple of them together just to power your whole home. Instead, we recommend the Franklin Whole Home Battery. With this Franklin Whole Home Battery, you get more storage actually than you do with the Tesla Powerwall 3. And what it does is it's compatible, it's capable of connecting to any generator like a whole home standby generator like a Generac or a Kohler, as well as any portable generator such as a Champion or a Duramax. This generator will recharge the Franklin Whole Home Battery for you, which is currently a capability that the Tesla Powerwall 3 does not have. Even with the extended Powerwall package, you still can't connect a generator to recharge the battery itself. With the Franklin Whole Home Battery, this is the only thing that they do. They specialize in batteries. They own all the proprietary equipment, all the intellectual property, and all of the technical support and software is done in-house with the Franklin Whole Home Battery. So we're offering our customers, if Tesla Powerwall 3 is no longer available, or we don't know when it's going to be made available again, the next option that we go with from a product perspective is the Franklin Whole Home Battery. That battery has enough output to power your entire house. If you were to combine 2 or 3 of those batteries, you could run every appliance in your house through that battery. It's super, super capable. Now, with the Tesla system, you'll have one gateway per 4 Tesla units, and then you have to add another gateway if you want to add any additional batteries. With the Franklin, it's what they call a gate for 15 potential battery expansion. So you don't just need to continue to buy more and more equipment in order to stack on. So you could potentially even go off grid with the Franklin Whole Home Battery. So if you have any questions about what's going on with Tesla with their Powerwall 3, please reach out to us. We will continue to put out information and content that's relevant to that product, because again, I love that product. It's just we can't get our hands on it right now. If you have any information on where we can get a Tesla Powerwall 3, I would love to pick your brain, because it's no longer being offered through the supplier, our distributor, or even through Tesla because the product's been so successful. Outside of that, if you're looking to go solar and you want to go solar now and you don't necessarily want to wait till Q1, Q2 next year for the Teslas to come out, I would opt for a Franklin whole home battery. That is an AC coupled system versus a DC coupled system like what you see with Tesla, but it's a very, very capable battery at a very, very competitive price point. So if you have any questions about solar, you're interested in going solar, please reach out to us. True Texas Solar or All Solar Texas. We are combined now as a company. I can't wait to hear from you and we get back quickly. Thank you so much and God bless.